All right, Sam, show us how this all works.
Alright, this is a Vivint Solar install. In our main service panel, we have our solar breaker, which feeds our converted DC to AC power back to the grid. Right here is our solar breaker. That feeds to our grid. After the solar breaker, down here we come to our AC disconnect. This is so we can turn off and on the system. Also used for the utility to lock out to prevent backfeed to the grid when they're working on the power lines. Here we have a SREC meter. This measures the production of the solar unit, and this is what converts all the DC from the solar panels to the AC, which it makes us able to backfeed to the grid and use the power.